welcome back. Sky cover for today was partly to mostly cloudy, and our western counties did pick up some showers and thunderstorms across the region, but most of us did stay dry. Now, as for the smoke, we did keep a good amount of it as we made our way through the entire day. The winds flipped around to a northerly direction as we went through last night, and the smoke really did settle in over us. The winds really weren't that bad today, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, so it really had nowhere to go. We're not going to get rid of it until that wind flips around to the south, and we're thinking that's going to happen tomorrow night. High temperatures across the region for the day today did make it to 73 at North Platte and Lexington, also at 73 at Broken Bow, upper 60s at Valentine and Thedford, closer to 70 at Ogallala and at Imperial. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So we're still into the lower 60s, North Platte down toward Lexington, but upper 50s from Valentine, Thedford, Ogallala, Imperial, and also upper 50s at Broken Bow. There's your wind. So it has been mainly from a northerly direction, still pumping in that smoke from Canada, and it is pretty light out there, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, so that smoke is really settled in, and that is going to be the story at least through the next, say, around 18 hours. By this time tomorrow, we should have that wind starting to flip around direction. Here's a look at the visibility from that smoke. 2 miles at Broken Bow, North Platte, 2.5 at Imperial, and 3 at Ogallala. A little better where they're getting a little more wind. So 4-mile visibility at Lexington, and the best 5-mile visibility up toward Valentine. Here's a look at the weather alerts. We do have some flood warnings south of Imperial, but the entire state with the gray here, that's an air quality warning that does go until noon Central Time tomorrow, and then we'll start to see if we can get rid of some of the warnings because of the smoke. Here's a look at the satellite loop. Now, we do have a good amount of cloud cover over us too, if you could see past that smoke to see the clouds. Now, Imperial and points off to the south, still picking up some moisture. Actually, they do kind of need it out there, so that's actually good news, and clear skies up toward the Valentine area. But across the country, the main story is this low-pressure system still continuing to move off to the east, some showers and thunderstorms ahead of it. For us, yesterday, the wind flipping around from a southerly direction to a very strong northerly wind, and notice that we're getting that wind directly from central Canada. High pressure is working its way in, and that will clear us out. We're still on the high cool side for tomorrow. We really warm up for the weekend and beyond. So we got the smoke over us. Let's show you where the fires are that are causing it, and they're not local. We have to make your way about 1,500 miles to the northwest before you start to run into the fires. Now, it's between Edmonton and Yellowknife in Canada, and the jet stream is in just the right place that it's going through these wildfires and blowing it back into our viewing area, so the smoke is really settling in over us. So here's a look at the jet stream. Cool air off to the east. We're going to eventually get into that warm air, high pressure in charge of our forecast. So here's what it looks like on the Skycast. We're going to keep that northerly wind through the day tomorrow. Lows in the upper 40s. High temperatures only into the upper 60s. Lots of sunshine if you could see past the smoke. Now the wind finally flips around to more of a southerly direction by Saturday morning, and high temperatures with the sunshine on your Saturday will be into the mid to upper 70s across the region. So we will warm up, and as soon as we get that southerly wind starting tomorrow night, we will get rid of the smoke pretty quickly. Mid to upper 70s through Sunday, which is also mostly sunny, and mostly sunny breezy on Monday, up to 83, 84 on Tuesday. Slight chance of some showers and storms, a better chance of showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday. Otherwise, partly cloudy and breezy as we stay warm with upper 70s and lower 80s by this time next week. Kent?
That's a long stretch here of some pretty nice weather after we get past tomorrow.
And we're going to be warming up pretty nicely, too, after a cool day for your Friday.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. After the surge in weddings last year, Wedding Market Research estimates there will be about 2.2 million ceremonies in 2023.